Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about my top marijuana stocks to buy for the long term. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys got anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. It'll be the first link down below, so at least check it out. So now guys, to jump into it, roll that intro, let's go. The top marijuana stocks for the long term. And it's a great day for buying stocks, so let's go. Bam. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here that I think has a ton of long-term potential is ticker symbol CGC. Now the thing that I like about Canopy Growth is the fundamentals are actually very, very strong. You know, they are growing at a pretty decent rate. They have growing revenue, growing consumer base, and a lot of other very, very strong things. Not too much long-term debt, and they actually had a phenomenal year in 2020. So I think all of that is actually pretty decent here. But the stock is trading for around $27. And on the technical side, you guys can see that there's some resistance here at 26. Some more resistance here at 29. I think we're going to have a little curl down, and this old resistance, you know, at 26 is going to act as new support. So I think that $26 would be a perfect opportunity to invest. But my 2021 price target is going to be around $35 to $37 a share. I think that we could easily get it, especially with the demand for these marijuana stocks. I think it's just a matter of time before they actually start going up at a very, very significant rate, even faster than what they're going up now. But the next one here is Tilray. Now, the reason why I like Tilray is because Tilray is working with multiple other companies such as Budweiser and a couple other ones. They want to get a cannabis-infused drinks, and the company itself is actually a very, very strong candidate for long-term growth. But looking at it here, you guys can see this 200 moving average line. This is really the hardest resistance for this stock here. So for me to be interested, I want to see a break of this. So a good entry for me would be around $10. But another good strategy you guys could use would be dollar cost averaging to get a good overall average price for your shares. Because yes, it is pretty volatile, you know, but in 2020, yes, this stock was trading at 22, but sold off here. I think that it's just a matter of time before we get a little turnaround in this stock here. But Tilray definitely probably carries the more risk than a lot of these other ones here, because the overall trend of the stock is still down. But it's definitely one to at least keep on watch here. Now, the next one here is Planet 13. Planet 13 is a cannabis company based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and the revenue is growing at a very, very fast rate. You know, we've had some quarters where the revenue grew over 100%. So I do think that this one is going to be one of the top contenders for marijuana growth. This is probably the best growth marijuana stock on this list. So it's a pretty cool thing, but this stock has some old resistance here at $4 that broke out right in here, hit this $6.40 mark, sold off. I think we're probably going to get a sell-off back to about $5.15. But the thing about this one is this stock is just a perfect long-term investment. Ticker symbol PLNHF. So this is definitely one to at least keep on watch here. You know, they have growing revenue, growing customers. It's a perfect opportunity. And the thing about it is their main shop in Las Vegas was shut down due to the overall, you know, lockdowns we were in, and the company still absolutely thrives. So it's a really cool thing to actually see that. But now the next one here is ticker symbol VFF. Now you guys can see that this stock had a very, you know, kind of downward trend in stock price. Yes, it was making lower highs, you guys can see, but look at this. Over the past couple of weeks, the stock has exploded in buying pressure. And the thing about it is this is a farm for marijuana. So it's almost like it's not like a dispensary. It's where some of the dispensaries actually get their marijuana. So it's a pretty cool thing here. I definitely think it's one to keep on watch. You know, they have a pretty decent earnings report, and I think the overall demand for this is going to continue in the future here. So definitely one to at least keep on watch here. Village Farms. Now the next one here is AMRS here. You guys can see that this stock is pretty volatile just by looking at the chart here. You guys can see it kind of goes up and down at pretty rapid rates. But you know what strategy would absolutely dominate this stock is dollar cost averaging. I'm telling you guys to do it with these growth stocks, especially these volatile ones that go up and down. you guys can get a fantastic average price and honestly just swing trade them. So what you do is you figure out how much you want to invest into this stock here. So whether it's $100 or $1,000, you invest, maybe once a week or once a month over the next couple of months. You get a good average price. It reduces volatility. It reduces risk when you invest. And then a thing that you could do is just sell when it gets up to these resistance. It's a perfect opportunity, but the thing about it is I definitely think that this one carries a lot of long-term potential. I think that a lot of these marijuana stocks actually definitely carry a lot of long-term potential. But look at the swings on this thing. $1.40, $6, back down to $2.15. You guys should be killing it with this one. But if you guys just want to be diversified and not have to worry about picking and choosing different stocks here, this one here is a cannabis ETF. You guys can see that this ETF has lows at $5.80, highs here at 13, broke out and hit 17.21. This one here is a cannabis ETF that has a ton of very, very popular cannabis companies in it. And the thing about ETFs is they are a lot lower risk because you're diversified. Because if that's a couple of these companies, lose revenue and they, the share price falls, it's not all in one basket. Your eggs aren't all in one basket. So you'll be kind of outweighted in your swings in your portfolio won't be as large. And you're still diversified in the cannabis sector. So you're still investing in cannabis, but it's just a low cost way and a way with a lot less risk to invest into cannabis stocks here. Alrighty guys, so that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. And remember to stay happy, stay positive, and especially now, stay safe out there guys. For me, stay safe. Alright, take care guys. Have a good one.